9.3 Human Organ Systems. Take a look at this video that summarizes some of the human body systems that we're going to look at today. The first one we'll look at is the digestive system. The digestive system breaks down and digests food and then excretes or gets rid of the body's solid wastes. So food enters the mouth and salivary glands help with digestion, making our saliva. Food travels down the esophagus into the stomach. Enzymes from the pancreas, the liver, the gallbladder help to speed up digestion. Our food moves into the large intestine, into the small intestine, and then into the large intestine and out through the rectum. There's a little video here to take a look at the digestive system as a bit of a cartoon. The nervous system provides a communication network throughout the body. It regulates all life functions. So we have the brain, spinal cord, and then throughout our body we have nerves. These regulate all life functions. Again, another video that summarizes the nervous system. I recommend only watching till 3 minutes and 14 seconds. I've linked all these videos below on our course website. The circulatory system. So the circulatory system begins with our lungs in this case. So the lungs oxygenate our blood. The pulmonary vein takes blood from the lungs to the heart. So within our lungs, we have capillaries, and they allow the transfer of oxygen from our lungs into our bloodstream. The pulmonary vein takes this oxygenated blood to our heart. The heart pumps out oxygenated blood through the aorta. It's an artery into our body tissues. So our body tissues get this blood by it moving from an artery into the capillaries. These capillaries taking that oxygenated blood to the tissues. These body tissues then return deoxygenated blood to the heart through the veins. So the exchange here between oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is our body tissues or cells. Okay, deoxygenated blood goes back into capillaries and then back into a vein. And this vein takes it to the heart, where it's then pumped up to our lungs again. These capillaries return deoxygenated blood, which is carbon dioxide, to our lungs for us to exhale. And on our inhale, we start the process again with more oxygen. Arteries transport blood away from the heart. Veins transport blood to the heart. And capillaries are the smallest blood vessels that connect between the arteries and the veins. These deliver oxygenated blood to our body cells through arteries and carry deoxygenated blood back to the veins. Blood carries nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and wastes. Again, another video about the circulatory system linked on our course website. The urinary system. The urinary system is important because kidneys will filter blood from our arteries, removing waste from these cells. So our cells give our transfer waste to our blood, and our blood needs to filter those out somehow. So blood comes in and it'll enter to our kidney through a artery. Our kidney filters and the wastes go down the ureter into the bladder, which holds our liquid waste until we go to the bathroom through our urethra, and it'll return our filtered blood through a vein. We can see that a little bit clearer here. So again, blood enters the kidney in an artery. The kidney filters out waste from other parts of the body and returns the filtered blood back to the heart in a vein. So our blood will come in through here, filtered through our kidneys and out through there. And then the wastes down the ureter. Systems work together, so they aren't independent of one another. Nutrients, for instance, from the digestive system enter the bloodstream through capillaries. Blood carries these nutrients to the cells of our body. The cells of our body pass waste into the bloodstream through these capillaries. And then the circulatory system takes waste from the cells to the kidneys to be filtered and expelled. So we have our circulatory system working with our excretory system. We have our digestive system working with our bloodstream or circulatory system. So a bunch of them are working together. Some practice on page 190 of your textbook number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.